Dear friends, on behalf of Practice Success and Smile Care Foundation, I, Dr. Shyam Mahajan, welcome you. In vast domain of implant practice, it is very rare that we find ideal cases to work on with good available bone and excellent patient's health condition. When it comes to full mouth cases, having to work in an atrophic maxilla and mandible is the norm rather than exception. Ridge resorption leading to inadequate bone beneath the sinuses and posterior mandible presents challenges to clinician. Based on various studies and clinical research across the globe, All-on 6 approach in atrophic maxilla and All-on 4 in mandible with immediate prosthetic loading is a viable option. Now, what are the advantages of All-on 6 and All-on 4? It helps edentulous patients with atrophic ridges to have fixed full arch prosthesis. It improves patient satisfaction with regards to aesthetics, speech, and self-esteem, leading to better quality of life. It reduces treatment time, complexity, and number of surgeries required. So tilted posterior implants avoids need for time consuming bone graft procedures. Immediate loading on the same day is possible. Simplified procedure considerably reduces the cost involved. It uses a better quality of bone in the anterior region. It eliminates cantilever in maxilla and reduces the cantilever in mandible that achieves more biomechanically stable prosthesis. It helps to avoid important anatomical structures like maxillary sinus, inferior alveolar nerve, impacted teeth, and fractured implants. This 3-day course module helps you to understand in detail All-on 6 and 4. It is a viable treatment option in difficult cases. Now the lectures involved general introduction to All-on 6 and 4 concept, advantages of positioning angulated implants and immediate loading of implants, a step-by-step surgical protocol, a prosthetic protocol including components and the steps used, tray-less impression making technique, and hands-on exercises includes evaluation and treatment planning using CBCT, TMA and other prosthetic placements, role play activities, and lab communication. There will be live patients demonstration and mentoring, which is an important part in the whole process of implantology. You can do a live case under our mentorship at our facility or yours. We will mentor you through all steps from planning to implant placement to delivery of the prosthesis. So looking forward to see you friends. Thank you.
Hi. On behalf of Practice Success and Face and Dental Institute, I, Dr. Prakash Patil, welcome you. All-on 6 or 4 is now the most acceptable treatment modality in atrophic maxilla and mandible with more than 95% success rate across the globe. This 3-day course on All-on 6 or 4 will help you to overcome the difficult cases where routine implant placement is not possible due to insufficient bone volume by using predictable All-on 6 or 4 concept without the need for sinus and bone graft surgery. During this course, I will give emphasis on surgical anatomy of maxilla and mandible with the aid of CBCT, surgical principles of All-on 4 or 6 implant surgery, why, how, and how much to tilt an implant, concept of anterior posterior spread for reducing the cantilevers, step-by-step protocol of placing tilted implants, introduction to prosthetic components, step-by-step prosthetic protocols, concept of jig trial, prosthetic options, special session on use of PRF, of course, managing complications and failures. We also have hands-on exercises in which there will be evaluation and treatment planning using CBCT, TMA and other prosthetic placements, role play activities, there will be lab communication. We also have mentoring. You can do a live case under our mentorship at our facility or in your setup. We will mentor you through all steps from planning, implant placement to the delivery of prosthetics. Looking forward to see you friends. Thank you.